Oh my god. Well, let's go. This one. This is my list from what I ordered. I got actually 2 lists, so ooh, good things are coming through. Ooh.
Ooh, it smells like a bit weird though. And more stuff. But a few things are for my friends and cousins, so I won't unbox everything because not everything is mine. But I'm trying to pick out everything that is mine.
I think the rest is basically mine. Well, let's start with, I received the honey glow kit from Yesstyle. It's actually sponsored. I'm gonna try this out and I will put a review on my Instagram. I'll put a post on it. It's pretty much for dry and rough skin. It comes with a propolis light cream, a propolis synergy toner, and a propolis light ampoule. I don't know what it is, but I will try it out later. I will put a post on my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. Yeah, let's go. I ordered a lot of cute things. Oh, let's start with the sweater. No, it's actually a what's it called? Joggers. Actually, I don't want this to be a very long introduction, but look how cute! Oh my god. Oh, it has a back pocket. It's quite nice, but I think everything will fall out of it, so don't put anything in. It's just sort of fine. But it's so cute. I got it in a size M. Not sure if it's gonna fit me, but we will try. Oh, look at the tag. It's really fun. That's cute. Yeah, it's a size M. It's a 10. Let's see. And then like just some tag, and the material is really thin. I thought it would be thicker. It's absolutely not for the weather in the Netherlands, but maybe for like in the spring or like late summer evenings, like the cutie, you know. But it's really cute tie-dye. I will put a video about here that I'm wearing it. It's really cute. It's really soft. It smells a bit weird, but it's really stretchy and it's really cute. It cuffs you at your ankle, so that's really nice. Yeah, it's just like a tie-dye that's really on trend right now. So yeah, that's pretty. Oh, I bought this together because I wanted it to match, you know. So oh, this is also really thin and quite see-through as well. Can you see my face? Oh no. But it's really thin as well. It's also a tie-dye kind of top, and I wanted to like match it together. Am I weird? I don't know. I don't know how it will look, but I will show you it like right next to me. Yeah, it also goes with drawstring, so you can like string it up, so you can snatch it at your waist, or like if you don't feel like it or you don't want to get you cold, you can always like pull it back. It pretty much goes to the middle of the it, so small torso girls, I got you. Is the difference? Core training here. Oh my god. Well, it's really cute. It's really thin though, but yeah, it's really cute for the spring and summer, and most likely for the Insta pics. Yeah. Where's the thing I wanted to show you guys? Oh, I ordered a You know, like when you want to have a color, like right here, but you don't want to have those bulky fabric underneath your sweater or hoodie or whatever you're wearing at the time. You can wear this. No one has to know. No one would know. So yeah, I'm not gonna try. Oh, you can put your arm through it so it won't come up, you know, like no rising up. So that's also really nice. It's also really thin material, but you can breathe through it because sometimes when you wear collar stuff, you will get the suffocating because sometimes I do. Maybe it's me, but yeah, that's really nice. And it has like the buttons and it's really nice. It looks very nice. It's just very good quality. Let's do the vest first. I actually already own this in black. I've worn that in my last in my fall in my fall lookbook. I wore this, but then in black. This is like a cream khaki color. It's really cute. You can wear it out on top of a blouse or a turtleneck or a mesh top. It would look so cute, and it like also warms you up a bit, so it does really function something that you need in the cold weather. And what I like about this is the model of it is like it's kind of boxy, but it will cinch you in at the waist, so you don't look like a Minecraft character. So I really like that. The material is really soft. There are no loose stitches, I believe. No, it's really good. The halter is really nice. It's really warm and it's probably quite soft. Yeah, just as soft as my personality. I also got it in white. It won't stay white for that long because I cannot manage white, but it's still very cute. This one has some loose stitches, but that's okay. Nothing you would die of. It's also really cute. It's exact same material, and yeah, I thought like maybe I can pair it up with like I don't know. I just wanted a white one because it's quite cute. I saw the model wearing a black long sleeve underneath it. I thought maybe with a loose long sleeve mock neck or something would look really cute. Or yeah, I just thought like just try it out because it will look very cute. And brown is also really trendy right now, and I think white will also look bomb with brown, but khaki will also work. Like I was just like I need this, so yeah. Moving on to the last two items. It's a blouse. Look cute. Oh, hold up. I need to like button it up because otherwise. So your neck go through here, and you have like these balloon kind of sleeves that would cuff you at your wrists. It's really cute. I thought like maybe I can match it with the khaki color because it would look. Oh, that's not the right side. Because it would look so cute. Like, look at this neck. Look at the sides. And it's like a mesh kind of ish see-through, and I love it. It's so you can breathe through it. It's so nice. I think it would look so cute, but obviously you have to wear something underneath it, like maybe like a nude bra or a nude tank top or a white tank top. I think even the black tank top will look still quite cute. So I just really like the neck of it, the neckline. I just find these things really cute. Like, really like that. Oh my god. I also got a similar blouse kind of thingy in black. But this one is a bit oh, it already comes with a tank top. Oh, I don't really like the material of this tank top. They will like crawl out. It's like that slippery kind of material, but it's really handy that it comes with a tank top. Well, it might fit my short ass torso. But what it looks like is, it looks like this. The neckline is slightly different. You also have to like button it up. I don't know how I'm gonna do it if it's behind my back. I'm like, I will struggle, but I will get my mom. It's fine. It has a different kind of pattern, and it also cuffs you at your wrist, but this one doesn't float out after it cuffs you. It just goes like this further on, so it won't surpass your hand. So when you're eating, it won't get in the soup of your noodles. That's so nice, because this obviously would. No problem. I think you just need to fill up all this things, you know. So that's really nice. Not too bad. Yeah, oh, I also got pimple patches again. I think that's pretty much it. So this is all I've. Oh no. This is all I've ordered, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video isn't too long, because I don't want to make long ass videos. I just wanted to get straight into the point, but I'm really talkative. I talk too much. I'm sorry. But yeah. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching, and love you all, and stay safe.